So we want to be open faster, we want to be open with more terrain, and we want to have a great ski experience. My name is Thomas Budd, and I'm the snowmaking manager here at Sunday River. We're up here at the top of Monday morning, taking a look at our new Grand Junction Booster Pumphouse that we're putting in for this winter. That will increase our capacity by about 2,000 gallons a minute by a combination of sheer horsepower and reducing our overall operating pressure in the system, making us more efficient and effective coming this November. We operate our snowmaking system in a dynamic approach. We adjust our system pressures based off where we're running, where if we lower the pressure, we can pump more water equals more snow. With this project, we're trying to decrease the amount of time it takes us to get open. We're doing a lot of earthwork in and around the mid-station area of the lock triple to try and widen that area, give us more space to be able to operate. We're smoothing out a couple of the tight points, a couple of the high spots. Our team takes a lot of pride and are extremely dedicated to getting us skiing as early as possible, and this project gives us the ability to try and do that even faster.